Looking for a way to streamline database management across multiple database systems and cloud services? Look no further. We've got a solution for you. It's called dbForge Edge, and it's a multi-database suite that covers a massive spectrum of database development, management, and administration tasks across Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Postgres, Amazon Redshift, and a lot of other cloud services. dbForge Edge comprises 4 IDEs called dbForge Studios and offers a unified experience that will help you simplify and optimize your routine workflow related to database migration, backup and recovery, comparison and synchronization of database schemas and table data, data import and export, and user management. Whether you're a developer, DevOps engineer, analyst, or manager who works with various databases and wants to reinvent database management, you can fully rely on dbForge Edge. Want proof? Let's take a closer look at its features. First and foremost, dbForge Edge will be your best assistant when it comes to keeping your databases in sync. For instance, the integrated schema compare functionality will help you compare any 2 database schemas, identify differences between them, and synchronize source to target in no time with an auto-generated script. The same goes for comparing table data. All you need to do is run the data comparison, check the results with conveniently highlighted differences, and sync data from your source to your target. By the way, this functionality can be extremely useful for data migration. For instance, what if you're scaling your database infrastructure and need to move a certain database to a different environment? Well, first you create a new empty database in the specified environment. Then you start a new schema comparison, set the first database as the source, set the new database as the target, run the comparison, sync the source structure to the target, and that's it. After syncing the schemas, you can compare and sync your data in the same way. Another way to make data migration easier is import and export. Here, dbForge Edge covers 14 most popular formats: HTML, TXT, XLS, XLSX, MDB, RTF, PDF, JSON, XML, CSV, ODBC, dbF, SQL, and Google Sheets. Each format comes with fine-tuned flexible settings, and what's more, you can easily create templates for recurring import and export operations. Once it's set up and saved, you can reuse it whenever needed. Next, we've got database backup, one of those routine operations that should be fully automated. That's where dbForge Edge is just as helpful. You can schedule regular backups with a few clicks. And if an emergency case occurs, dbForge Edge will take the latest backup and get the recovery done just as easily. You can be confident that data loss will no longer be a threat. Last but not least, we've got the issue of database security, namely prevention of unauthorized access to your data and correct distribution of roles and permissions among your users. That's made simple with the Integrated Security Manager. With its help, you can create, modify, and delete user profiles, assign roles, and manage access permissions in the most flexible way. There's nothing quite like trying it all yourself, so we invite you to download a 30-day trial version of dbForge Edge, give it a go, and make your database management a breeze.